Okay, hey friends. This is our story here, Grow Happy. So we are going to read the rest of the story. Our character Kiko was talking about growing happiness, and she told us lots of ideas on how she grows happiness on this page. I see exercising, eating healthy foods, and getting plenty of rest. So let's keep reading. My garden is beautiful, but it's not perfect. Sometimes the seeds I plant don't sprout. The leaves have spots on them. Last week, some deer ate my broccoli. Just like my garden, I have bad times too. I pay attention to those feelings. I can grow happiness by working through problems and looking for solutions. When I have a problem in my garden, I try my best to fix them. I can't change the weather, but if the air gets too cold, I can cover my garden in a cozy blanket. If I find bugs nibbling on my plants, I find them something else to eat. Now they munch on breadcrumbs, crusts, not my garden. When I have a problem in my life, I try my best to fix them too. Taking time to reflect and relax helps me think more clearly. Sometimes drawing a picture of how I'm feeling can help me handle a frustrating situation. I pay attention to my feelings and think before acting. If I hurt someone's feelings, I try to say I'm sorry. When my brother and I want to play with the same toy, I take turns with him instead of arguing. I can grow happiness by spending time with my family and friends. When I need help with my garden, my family and friends are here for me. Just like my family and friends help me with the garden, they can also help my happiness grow. When I have a bad day at school, my mom will make me a snack that I like. When I can't get down from the monkey bars, my friends give me a hand. When I have a math problem I can't solve, my big brother will help me. Growing a garden is hard work, but look what it brings me. How do you grow happiness? That is the end of our story. I want us to go back a couple pages and talk about what was happening here. She says sometimes her garden has problems. She says sometimes in real life, she also has problems with her happiness. She says, I can grow happiness by working through problems and looking for solutions. So this is what you can do if you have problems. Look at her picture. Look at Chico. They are trying to solve their problem, and here's two very important things that they said. Number one, she said she relaxes. If you do not relax, you cannot think more clearly. The second thing she said, she thinks before acting. That means she does not just react right away. That means that she thinks first and then she decides on what to do before reacting. I want you to go ahead and click on the next video. It's for spelling, and then you're going to look at some spelling words that we pulled out of the book.